Hello, my name is Jeremy and I'm here to showcase how Viam and AI/large language models can be used to create an AI controller for manufacturing applications. For this demo, I will be using a PLC board, as you can see here, along with a microphone and speaker. In order to create this demo, what you will do is go onto Viam's web app and create an abstraction of each of these components using Viam's modular registry. Once those abstractions are ready, you can create a client script, as you can see on the right, that will use these components to perform a series of workflow actions. For this demo, the way my client script works is that I will first take in an input from the microphone. I will then check to see if this input is a request of what the status of the PLC board is. If it is, I will go on the PLC board using our abstraction and ping each of its components to get data from them. This data is then grouped together and sent into a ChatGPT session with the context that a summary should be created that sounds like electronics engineer. With that summary, we can now output that to the speaker so any engineers on staff can hear in a very human legible way what the status of their manufacturing equipment is. If instead the engineer wants to perform an action on the PLC, what we'll do instead is we will send that input into ChatGPT along with a more specialized context. This context will have ChatGPT analyze and look for various sorts of predefined actions. The benefit of doing this way is that we can leverage ChatGPT's LLM qualities to look for sentences and inputs that have semantic equivalence to the actions we're looking for. Therefore, if we want something to shut down, we don't only look for the word shut down, but we can look for turn off, kill it, or shut down. Adds a bit of extra flexibility for the system. Once an action has been detected, along with a certain component on the PLC, we can then go onto the PLC and actuate accordingly. By doing so, we can showcase a complete AI loop in which an engineer can speak to their system, understand what it's doing, and react accordingly. So let's see this in person. So here we have our PLC board. Let's first check what status it is. Hey PLC, please give me your status.
Pins 1, 3, and 4 are currently set to true, while pin 2 is set to false.
Okay, now let's say I don't want pin 4 to be on. So I can do, please turn off pin 4. And there we go. Let's check one more thing. Hey PLC, please update me to your status.
The status of the pins is alternating between true and false.
And great.